Hey fellow noshers, Michelle Gusso back with another snack review for you. And it's kind of fun. I was browsing the shelves at the grocery store and I've tried products from this line, the Enjoy Life line, and they are the ones that are allergen free. So it's like free from wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, egg, sesame. Um, Sulfites, and there's there's a whole list here, fish, shellfish, although I can't even fathom shellfish being in a snack food like this. But I found these are Chewy bars, and they had three varieties, and I'm going to taste them all for you today, right here. This one is called Carrot Cake. Now, I'm going to say I have absolutely never had, I've had products from Enjoy Life. I have reviewed one on here earlier, but I have never tried these, and they looked interesting. Look like something I'd want to try for you. So we're going to dig in. I used to like carrot cake when I was not vegan, not gluten-free. I tended to prefer my own because I am not a fan of allspice or clove, and I tended to just use cinnamon and nutmeg in my own. Okay, so these are actually really tiny. I was going to say they are smaller than the Chewy granola bars, like from Quaker. So that's a heads up right away on that. So open this sucker up. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm ready. I'm reacting to the aroma. It's not particularly pleasing. Okay, this is really, really soft. Falling apart soft. Oh. Okay. I am getting more of an aftertaste of some sort of a spice than an actual like initial flavor. I don't really want to bite into this again. So I think that's the best indicator right there. Again, these reviews are just my opinion, and welcome to go try the snack and let me know what you think. Yeah, the aftertaste is still hanging around. I think on this particular flavor, on my scale of 1 to 5 bites, this would be a 1. Maybe because I can't give it a 0, or I'm choosing not to give it a 0, so that goes in there. Alright, the next flavor we found is called Caramel Blondie. And so, I used to make a lot of blondies. And I still do. One of my, I was going to say signature recipes is called Golden Goddess Bars, and it is a blondie. It's very popular at my dessert recipe book signings. So again, it looks the same. It's rather small. Oh, this one smells like, I'm getting a really good aroma. It smells like caramel. It really does. Okay, this one's still just as soft. Now that's interesting because it's free from tree nuts. But I'm definitely getting the feeling like I'm eating pecan flavor. That's kind of interesting. It's not bad, it's just a fact. So, It's not too sweet, which is interesting for like usually caramel. flavor comes across as like overly sweet for me. This one isn't really terrible. I don't think I would personally choose to get it again. I would give this like a 3.5 bites out of 5. Definitely not, like I said, better than I thought, especially after trying that other one. And Coco Loco, this one is supposed to be like a brownie. It says brownie texture. So we will see what this one is. If you've eaten products from Enjoy Life and have enjoyed them, let me know in the comments. I love to talk about food. It smells like chocolate. Let's see. So, I'm going to break this. Oh, okay. See, this isn't quite as falling apart as the others. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting like the grainy texture. Like if you bite into just sugar. It's not really like a fudgy brownie texture to me. And again, there's something more about like an aftertaste of cocoa rather than like a nice brownie chocolate flavor. Okay, but I'm willing to take a second bite. I'm saying that maybe again not dreadful. This one I think if I kept eating it I'd get a little more used to how the texture and the flavor present. This one I'm gonna do another like 3.5 bites. I don't know that I would get it again though. Although this might actually eat these. So that is the 3 flavors, the cocoa, the caramel blondie, and the carrot cake of the Enjoy Life. If you try them, go and let me know in the comments. Also, if you haven't had a chance yet, check out the video on this channel where I tell the story of the channel's name, The Big Nosher. And I will see you next time.